Slow and steady.
Slam the door good that he's not closed.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Game face. Stop, stop.
Now and drive.
Money! That was good. That was good. That was really good.
Really good.
That was really nice technique. Hey, listen, no more looking at the scenery, buddy. No, that was good. That one's smooth. You're more than good. I've done it myself, so I've actually almost rolled one once.
Really?
Like right down a ravine, yeah. Okay, bro. Thanks, Brandon.
Finally back out. It's 2 a.m. I got my nice, beautiful M6 out here, guys. And I'm gonna get you guys some great content, I promise. Still snowing, guys.